Paro ni nyalore konyogi kaluwore ni mbaka mwawinjo kono ok ber ahinya. Kijana no ne wacho kaka isandogi chiemo tin, itiyo tije moko matek, kaeto bende sand bende isari, inyagoli e jela achiel iterie machielo. Biparo ni nyalore?
Wan gi hope to wawacho ni hope nyaka wabedgo, nyaka walam Nyasaye, nyaka wawach gimwanyalo, watim the best we can. To wa hope ni this matter is going to be resolved one way or the other. But wang'e ni it's not going to be easy. Nikech ing'e ni kiwinjo ni we have never had be okanyal paro any country manyalo paro ma no wacho ni koro okwabi celebrate Independence Day. I've never heard of that. Kiwinjo mano to now you know there's a problem. To ngama no loyo gi 98%. Why would you not want to celebrate? Why didn't we see celebration mane koro oloyo, koro bedo declared 98%? You know 98% is a very big number. It means ni joma 2% is very small, you not even hear them. So kineno weche makamago to ngisi ni there is a lot of, it's a big problem. But wabotemo gimwanyalo, wabotemo kaka wanyalo, whatever we will have to do. The most important thing mwa hope for ni UN gi EU gi even other countries can come along mondo wane kaka wawuoyo wachno. Nikech it's not an easy thing. It's not going to be easy resolve that matter matimore kanyo. Nikech to mang'eny. In fact, we are saying almost 4,500 people would have died under this issue. The numbers could even be more, which is unfortunate. Some of them obedo buried graves magine, miriwogi, which is very unfortunate. We don't know what to do in some of these things, but kwase tieko the problem of violence or cease, then we'll see how that can happen.
Gin challenges mage kata midhiero